Hello students. Let's we start the third story of Landscape of Sol. This story is about a ant fly. It was the 15th century story. A blacksmith called Quentin Matsy fell in love with a painter's daughter. The father rejected his suit because of his law profession. Means there is a character of blacksmith whose name was Quentin Matsy. He loved with a big painter's daughter. He wanted to marry with her. So he proposed for marriage to the girl, but her father did not agree for that marriage because the painter thought that the blacksmith profession is a little work than the profession of painting. So, Quentin one day got into the studio and painted a fly on his latest canvas to listen the thinking, the views of the painter. Then Quentin became upset and he decided to be a big painter. So he went in a big art studio and there he started to paint the paintings. And one day he painted a housefly on canvas. It looked so realistic that the painter tried to drive it away. Means that fly canvas looked a real fly. Everyone watched and took interest in that painting, and it looked that the fly trap tried to fly from the canvas, and then he realized what had happened. Means the painter realized his mistake of the behavior with had done with the blacksmithing, and to listen about a real painting. The daughter's father realized his mistakes and thought, now it be marriage of my daughter with blacksmith. He accepted Quentin as his apprentice, and Quentin married his beloved and become one of the most famous painter of his age. So, painter went near Quentin and accepted him and to marry his daughter with him. After that, Quentin became the most famous painter of his time. So, student, these points in next, these points you will not write down, you will not mention in the summary points. These points we will discuss about the different of arts. First, a classical Chinese landscape, unlike Western painting, does not present any actual view. A classical Chinese did not keep the view in their painting in actual, and they kept to the reality of pictures. And in European painter wants you to look at the landscape exactly as he saw it from a particular angle. In European paintings, the painters represent their paintings in the real face because which seen in the landscape painting, and the Chinese landscape is not realistic, so you can enter it from any point and he only creates a path for your eyes to travel up and down in a leisurely fashion. The Chinese landscape is not realistic, so we can understand easily that paintings. If we see the Chinese paints from starting to last, Chinese paintings from starting to last, then it will be interesting for us. And Chinese paintings method is illustrated best in the case of a scroll. As you roll the painting, scroll up to move on to the another painting. You find the dimension of time in it. Chinese paintings method is defined in well manner like a scroll. These paintings were in a scroll. As we will open the roll of paintings, then we can see the paintings, we can understand the message of the paintings step by step, and in last the viewers has to travel through the painting along with the painter. The viewers participation is both physical and mental. In the last, if we understand the meaning of paintings, then we present with physically there and use the mind of use the mind of painter to understand, and should understand what the painter wants to show us. And the reason is that the landscape is an inner one and a spiritual one. If we notice the painting of landscape, then we feel that it is the inner one, and we can say it is the spiritual also one. Okay, students.